All NEET aspirants, you are listening to podcast Botany for NEET by S. Ramakrishna. In this podcast, microbes in human welfare. Keep the NCRT textbook open with you. If possible, pen and paper. In case of very first paragraph, the information in a biological system. In a biological system means various types of organism, plant, animals, microbes interact with the environment. It constitutes one system. In a biological system, apart from macroscopic plants and macroscopic animal, microbes are major share in case of biological system. And according to Whittaker, microbes are in how many kingdom? Monera, Protista, fungi. In his five kingdom, the three kingdoms are with the microscopic organism. Among three kingdoms, just only microscopic organisms are present in how many kingdom? That is Monera. Why not in case of the Protista and fungi? In case of the Protista, if you take slime mold, it goes to several feet height. And if you take that is the fungi, the macroscopic, and that is the mushroom, that is edible. So purely microscopic, which are monerans, that is the bacteria and blue-green algae. Next, microscopic organism, that is microbes, present everywhere: air, water, organism, plants, that is plants, animals. And certain microbes thrive in an areas where other life could not be possible to exist there. That is the temperature as high as that is almost 100 degrees centigrade in case of thermal vents. Deep in snow, that is several meters. Deep in soil, and many such harsh environment. Also, some microbes, that is bacteria, can thrive. Next, the bacteria, protozoa, fungi, virus, viroid, prion, which are all microscopic. Among these, virus, viroid, prion did not find place in case of Whittaker system because they are not true living organism. Bacteria in case of Monera, and protozoa in case of the Protista, fungi in case of separate kingdom, the fungi. Next, among microscopic organism, the bacteria and fungi, which can be made to grow on nutrient culture medium, develop into colonies, we can observe even with the naked eye. Such cultures having the group of organism useful to study on microscopic organisms. Next, several microbes causing diseases in plants, animal, including human being. That means that all microscopic organisms are causing diseases? Not at all. Certain microbes are useful to human being. If you take the bacteria which are considered to be friends and foes, useful bacteria, harmful bacteria. If you take virus, viroid, prion, all known viruses, viroid, prions are causing diseases only. They are considered as foes of man. Next, if you observe the diagrams given in case of the text, first, second, third diagram, we see in case of first diagram, rod-shaped bacteria, what do you call it is bacillus. This can be observed under a microscope with a magnification lens of 1500x. Second diagram, spherical bacterium, what do you call it is the coccus. It is observed under a microscope with a magnification of 1500x. And third diagram, rod-shaped bacteria with a tuft of flagella at one pole, that is polar flagellation, tuft of flagella, that is Lophotrichus, monopolar flagellation. This can be observed under a microscope with a magnification of 50,000x. And in fourth diagram, bacteriophage, that is a virus which infect bacteria, what they call bacteriophage, T even phase, having head, collar, tail, and end plate, tail fins, tail fiber. Tail fibers are also called prongs. This is bacteriophage. The shape it is tadpole shape. Symmetry it is polyhedral symmetry. And fifth diagram it is adenovirus causes respiratory infections. And sixth diagram compact rod shaped virus that is tobacco mosaic virus. It can be observed with a magnification of 1 lakh to 1 lakh 50,000 x, that is electron microscopic. Next, in next diagram, in petri dish, the bacterial colony. And in case of the last diagram, that is a colony with fungal cells, that is the fungal mycelium, that is bacteria and fungi made to grow in case of nutrient culture media.